As a group leader, you lead student travel at your school. You research and choose destinations, recruit students, organize fundraising, plan and coordinate travel, handling a million details, and personally lead the trips. The only thing you don't do? Get paid what you deserve. If you're organizing non-school sponsored travel, you're already doing the work of a travel professional. The only thing missing? Getting paid for it. You're not just a group leader, you're what I like to call an almost agent. An almost agent does all of the work associated with student travel, but never gets paid what they've earned. They're already doing the work of a travel professional, but never quite take the final step to unlock the commissions they've already earned, leaving literally thousands of dollars on the table every time they lead a trip. Don't be an almost agent. The solution? Become a teacher agent. A teacher agent is like a travel agent for student travel, and you're almost there already. Just 3 simple steps remain. Step 1, complete the Teacher Agent Academy course. Step 2, become a certified teacher agent. Step 3, join the Teacher Agent Network. That's it. Then you'll be ready to unlock the travel commissions you're already earning. If you sign up today, you could become a teacher agent before your next trip. You wouldn't teach your class without fair compensation. Don't lead trips without it either. Sign up for the Teacher Agent Academy and become a teacher agent today.